Welcome to Baby World. Do you like grapes? Do you know it has so many vitamins and so many healthy nutrients that you must have it? Makes you healthy and strong and keeps you active in studies and play as well. Let's draw some grapes today. Come on, grab your pencils and colors.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow.
for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Bye bye.